Welcome to our newest floor plan, the Residence 7, that's located in the gated community of Villa Alicante at Copper River Ranch and is just across the street from the Copper River Golf Course. This home sits on an 18,663 square foot lot and features a motor court and 4-car garage. And as we walk up to this grand entry, inside you'll find 4 bedrooms plus a home office and game room and 3.5 bathrooms and an absolutely stunning kitchen. Let's go take a look. As we enter the wrought iron double doors, you'll pass by a home office, and up above you'll notice the gorgeous stickwood accent ceiling. And as we step into this absolutely breathtaking open concept living space, you'll find this custom-built wine room with a beautiful brick accent wall. You'll find a built-in fireplace and tons of shelving built into the walls here. And you'll even find built-in surround sound speakers throughout many areas of the home. And take a look at this stunning 16-foot stackable sliding glass door that just brings the outdoors into your living space. Now take a look at this one-of-a-kind chef's kitchen that features an expansive T-shaped island with under-cabinet lighting, perfect for hosting all of your favorite gatherings. You have a pop-out wall that is bordered by gorgeous brick accent walls. You have quartz countertops throughout the entire home. We've got dual dishwashers, 2 ovens, a 6-burner gas cooktop, and a large built-in refrigerator. And you even have 2 Blanco granite composite sinks. Plus you have an entire wall with beautiful white cabinetry and a brick backsplash that complements the rest of the kitchen. After we've explored the kitchen, you'll pass by the perfect dining area that's just steps away from this enormous walk-in pantry. Let's take a look through the north wing of this gorgeous estate. As you step into this master retreat, you'll find tons of windows that allow for natural light, and you even have access to the beautiful back patio. You should see the pool that's going in soon. Now let's walk into this true spa oasis that features an oversized step-in shower with seat and dual shower heads. You have a freestanding tub, and you have 2 sinks with additional counter space and gorgeous white soft close drawers. And the most amazing vanity for getting ready in the morning. And the cherry on top, this incredible walk-in closet that features custom shelving throughout and even an island so that you can lay out all of your accessories. And down the rest of the north wing, you have a large laundry room with quartz countertops, tons of cabinet space, and a linen closet. You have a full bathroom, a bedroom, and access to one of 2 garages. And as we make our way through the south wing of the home, you'll pass by a powder bath and a second living area that you can use as a game room or an entertainment space. Plus you have access to one of the 2 garages. This space is also connected to 2 bedrooms with a Jack and Jill layout. This Residence 7 estate is truly one of a kind and features 4 bedrooms plus a home office and a second entertainment area, 3.5 bathrooms, and a 4-car garage with motor court. Plus this home includes some absolutely breathtaking amenities and features. Contact our estates office for more information today. We've got dual dishwashers, dual sinks, I was looking at this thing